Hi guys, it cut off. I got an ad pop up and it shut my whole camera down. I'm gonna go in with the highlighter first. So it's cut off. I'm using the same milk as I did the inner corner, and it is really, really pretty. It's a very pretty. I think this is one of my favorite highlighters, and I don't wear it enough, to tell you the truth. Alright. So I am sorry about that. You didn't miss much. All I was doing was patting on my Laura Geller. My Laura Geller. I was just using it as to set it, and then I set it with some spray, and that's when it went kaput. Okay, so the blush. Now it's blush time. I think I'm going to use my Famati cream blush. I'm going to use a cream brush. You pass you by. Oh, cream is a very pigmented. In fact, I'm going to blot it a little bit. It's good enough. This was from Temu, this blush. The cream blush, and I love it. I absolutely love this blush. It's Famati #1. It's all in Chinese, but I like it. I like it a lot. All right, let's do some bronzing. Should I use this? It's so dark. I'm throwing it out. It's too fucking dark. I am going to go in with my Color Effects. I got this in my boxy many moons ago. And you can see that the contour is loved. I hit pan. So I'm going to go in with that. I was told by an influencer that instead of going on the sides of your face, you should go underneath the jawline, because if you have a double chin like I do, it creates a shadow so that you don't see it, so they say. So I've been doing that. Let's blend. Let's bounce. Not bad. Nice blend there. Okay. I bronzed, I contoured the best I could. Now it's just, where's that fucking bee? If it comes in here, I'm gonna start swatting. Did he get out? That would be nice. I hope he's not stuck to my towel. I stuffed the towel up in the top of the windowsill. Okay. Time for the lippy. It's one of these two. I mean, I could do the blow pony, I suppose, but this is like a pastel and I didn't want that. So, let's see, there's something else. This is a pretty color. It's like a wisteria. This is like a gray. Hank and Henry, let's see. This is a pretty purple. Let's see. No. Nay, nay. Yup. Blue it is. Seven minutes in. Sorry, I need the light. Went on pretty good. It goes good with the look. And I will blot. There we go. It's more like a matte now. More matte than what it usually is. Gotta get in there. Okay, the lippy went on good. Just gotta make sure I don't have no... Okay, let's look for a lippy liner. I gotta get some lip liners. I don't have enough. I do not have enough. Use this one. We'll use the NYX. This one is Shimmering Eye Pencil. Doesn't say the name of the color. Aqua Shimmer. So I'm just gonna outline my lips with this. Okay. And yes, I do my lip liner at the end because I'm not good at drawing in lips, but what I do it for is so that if it seeps, doing the lip liner after will take care of that and clean it up, and it just looks good. And this, excuse me, this lip came out really good. My last 2 times I've had good luck. Okay, so this is the look. I know the lipstick's a little bright, but once my hair's done and everything's down and you see the lashes, it'll look nice. But thank you for joining me. I'm sorry about the cutoff. I will upload these videos tomorrow, and I hope you all have a fantastic day. I'm gonna have a fantastic day. I'm going over my brother-in-law's. We're gonna have fish and chips, and I'm really excited about it. So, that being said, I hope you all have a wonderful day, and thank you for spending time with me. Bye-bye.